Alright, car shoppers, welcome back to Lexus of Wilmington. Just sat in our inventory is this 2015 Toyota Highlander. This one is white. It's got tan leather interior, power bucket seats. It's got front heated and cooled seats. It's got navigation, rear view camera, leather steering, 37,000 miles. It's got the panoramic sunroof. Second row bucket seats. It's also got a third row seat that you can see is folded down. It's got Toyota wheels. This is a limited. It's all-wheel drive. It's got the tow package, power rear door. Plenty of room back here in the trunk area. Like I said, it's the third row seat that folds up and down to give you more room. And it's right here at Lexus of Wilmington. Looking for more information on this 15 Highlander or any of the other most 100 vehicles in our pre-owned inventory and our 90,000 square foot pre-owned showroom. That's right. When you come here to Lexus of Wilmington, you do your car shopping indoors to avoid the elements of the weather. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry, and your car shop inside at Lexus of Wilmington. Go to lexusofwilmington.com for more information.